Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the mental health care chatbot using Python and Django web framework used to develop the graphical user interface. User have to open the terminal in the same project folder and then we have to write rasa space run hyphen enable hyphen API. Okay, and then click enter. So the server will start and then so we have to open the terminal in the same project folder and we have to write the command python space manage.py space run server and then click enter. So model will load, server will start, and we have to copy that particular URL and paste in any browser. So it will open the web interface. Let's chat with AI chatbot. Hello. And bot will reply. It will also take the voice message like what is mental health. It will give the complete description about that particular mental health. I feel depressed. So it will reply. Let's type I'm stressed. So it will give the complete description about the stressed. Yes. Then it will give the suggestions. So user have to ask any questions and the bot will reply according to that particular question. Thank you and bye. So this will be the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.